Today's recipe is going to be all about green bananas, and we're going to be making some very crispy, well-seasoned green banana fries, which are going to be amazing. I know potatoes make very awesome fries, but once in a while, try making some green banana fries for your family, and everyone will enjoy because they're very filling and delicious. For the recipe, you need a bunch of green bananas, and also we're going to be making some mango salsa for our condiment to serve with our green bananas. You'll start off by peeling your green bananas, and I've placed a newspaper so that I can peel my green bananas on it because I don't want my countertop to be messy. I'm going to chop off the ends, peel my green bananas. Green bananas produce sap which sticks on your knife, on your hands, everywhere, and it's quite messy. So if you don't have gloves like me, you can spread some cooking oil on your hands, and the cooking oil is going to help the sap not to stick on your hands. Also, when peeling your green bananas, make sure to put an apron just like me because the sap sticks on your clothes and it leaves a very nasty stain. I'm speaking through experience. So I'm going to finish off peeling my green bananas very fast. And once you're done peeling, you're going to place in a bowl with water so that the green bananas don't oxidize. Wash your green bananas several times until the water runs clear. And the first wash, you'll notice that there is some sap in the water. So this is to get rid of the sap and also to make sure that the green bananas are very clean. When your green bananas are nice and clean, you're going to place a frying pan over medium-high flame with enough cooking oil to deep fry your green bananas. So the next step is going to be cutting the green bananas into fries. So I'm going to pick my green banana, cut in half, and then I'm going to quarter my green bananas. Transfer to my bowl with water because you don't want the green bananas to oxidize. And there you go. Your green banana fries are ready. So I'm going to finish off cutting up the rest. Once more, you're going to wash your green bananas, and then you're going to pick a kitchen paper towel, tap dry the green bananas because you don't want water to mix with hot cooking oil. You're going to wait for around 2 to 3 minutes until the cooking oil is hot enough to fry your green bananas. And to check if the cooking oil is ready, you're going to insert a skewer. Once you notice small bubbling, the oil is ready, or you're going to drop in a piece of your green banana. If it floats, the oil is ready to fry. When your oil is ready, you're going to carefully drop in the green bananas and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes or until the green bananas are crispy on the outside and cooked on the inside. Now it's time to make my mango salsa, and I have a few fresh ingredients. I have my mango, tomatoes, onion, coriander. I have some salt for seasoning and a little bit of black pepper. You're going to pick a knife and cut the sides of your mango just like this. Make crisscross cuts on your mango. And when making the crisscross cuts, be very careful because the knife is sharp and you don't want to hurt the palm of your hands. Once done, you're going to pick a spoon and remove the mango, transfer to a bowl. Pick the next piece of mango and repeat. run my spoon around the mango and transfer to my bowl. Pick my pit and remove the flesh. Transfer to my bowl. Check on your green bananas, and they are perfectly frying, almost done. They still have to get that golden brown color that we are looking for. So I'm going to use my skimmer, toss the green bananas a little bit, and fry for another 2 minutes. Yes. Pick my tomato, cut the pit of the tomato, and then I'm going to be chopping the same size as my mango. You want everything to be looking very even. Cut into strips and dice. When done, transfer to my bowl. The mango is smelling so good, and I love using apple mango because it has less fiber. Cut off the pit and repeat by slicing into strips and dicing. Wipe my chopping board a little bit. Pick my onion. Remove the skin. Cut in half and dice. Transfer to my bowl, pick my coriander, and I'm going to be using the leaves. I'm going to keep the stems for another recipe. Finally dice my coriander. Add in some salt, a little bit of black pepper. Toss all the ingredients together until all the seasoning is fully combined and everything is looking very delicious. And my mango salsa is ready. After 4 minutes, my green banana fries are ready and looking so gorgeous. So you're going to use a skimmer, shake off the excess oil and transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel so that the fries can drain off the excess oil. Then you're going to add in your next round. Carefully placing the green bananas into the cooking oil. And immediately the green banana fries are from the cooking oil, you're going to add in or season with salt. So what will happen is the salt is going to melt and seep into the green bananas because everything is nice and hot, and then you're going to have some well-seasoned green bananas. I'm also going to be adding in a little bit of paprika to add in some color. So very carefully sprinkle in with just a touch of paprika. Toss the green bananas so that they can get coated with the paprika and serve. Plate up your green bananas and add in your mango salsa. And once done plating your green banana fries and mango salsa, the plate is going to be looking very colorful, delicious, and well balanced because we have some veggies and some carbs. You can add in some protein. I'm going to be adding some goat legs. I'm going to be adding in some goat legs that I made just a while back. You can check the video up here or in the description box. So this is a recipe worth trying because everything has turned out amazing. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.